Okay, so we've learned about these new words, likely, unlikely, certain and possible. But how do we use them? How do we use them for everyday events and to classify everyday events? Well, let's get into that and find out. Here we go. Here's the first one. Here's the sun. Now, we can say that the sun will certainly, or it is certain, that the sun will come up every day. Here he is. He's come up. So we can use the word certain. And there it is, certain. We're pretty certain, we're very certain, that the sun will come up every day. Now the next one we're going to look at is likely. We can say, it's likely that we'll have a sandwich for lunch today. Likely. We'll likely have a sandwich, one as yummy as this, I hope. Looks great. So that's likely, and we use that every day. We can say, it's likely that we'll have a sandwich for lunch. Now, next word is possible. This is when things might happen, could happen. We can say that there's a possibility or that it's possible for them to happen. What sort of things are those? Well, this is one that the mums and dads would probably know about. It's possible that you might win lotto today. Possible. And there it is. There's the lotto with the balls. Now, if those balls come out in the right order and the right numbers come up, it is possible that you might win lotto. Possible. Remember the other words we've talked about so far? Certain, likely, and this one is possible. And we use those every day. Well, they're the kind of things that we use all the time. Right now, our last one for today is unlikely. So an event, something may happen that may be unlikely, not going to happen. Unlikely. What sort of an event would that be? Oh, there's something you don't see every day. A donut flying through the air. You might want to believe it, but it's unlikely that you will see a donut flying through the air. Very unlikely. It may seem that it will happen, but it's unlikely. You might want to believe it, but it's unlikely. So let's go back through our 4 words that we're using when we're talking about chance. Certain, where you know that something will happen. The sun will come up. Likely is you're likely to have a sandwich for lunch. Possible, yeah, you might win lotto, you might become millionaires, you might not have to do anything. Possible, maybe. Then there's something that's unlikely, a donut flying through the air. That is unlikely. Right, that's the end of this lesson. The next lesson will be, how can we use these words and what we're thinking about to solve real life problems using chance? Have a think about that. Bye for now.